Hey everyone, welcome back to Uprising AI. Today, I want to talk about something huge, Ray3 from Luma AI. This is the kind of generative video tool built not just to make footage, but to think, reason, and produce quality that can slot right into pro pipelines. So let's dive into what Ray3 brings to the table. Ray3 is Luma AI's latest breakthrough. Released in September 2025, this is the first video model that combines visual reasoning, physics-aware fidelity, and native HDR generation. What that means in simple terms, less, well, that kind of looks right, and more, wow, that feels real. It's not just generating frames. Ray3 can interpret prompts more intelligently, plan complex scenes, judge its own output, and refine the result as it goes. It produces video in true HDR standards, 10, 12, and even 16-bit ACES 2065-1 EXR, so it's suitable for studios, filmmakers, and anyone who wants cinematic quality. Ray3 can do more than follow prompts. It's built to understand intent. If you tell it a car crash at dusk with rain and neon reflections, it knows you want mood, lighting, reflections, and it tries to pull all of those together. It even self-evaluates drafts and retries until certain quality thresholds are met. One of the biggest leaps, Ray3 delivers video in true HDR, including 16-bit EXR, which is rare in generative video models. That means richer contrast, deeper blacks, brighter highlights, more color detail, and the ability to export in these formats means you can drop your AI videos straight into post-production or VFX workflows. Want to explore ideas fast? Ray3's draft mode does just that. You can generate preliminary video versions that are much faster and cheaper to compute, so you can explore lots of ideas, then pick the best shots to turn into full-fidelity masters. Helps you stay creative without wasting time or budget. Another standout is the annotation tools. You can draw in images or frames, mark where you want things, how you want motion to happen, where characters should be, etc. Ray3 uses these cues to obey your directions with better precision, less need to second guess or reprompt constantly. Ray3 improves in realistic motion blur, reflections, lighting interactions, natural physics, stable anatomy, consistent characters across shots, etc. It handles scenes with moving objects, crowds, and complex motions more reliably than before. Of course, no tool is perfect. From what I've gathered, Ray3 currently supports up to 10-second clips in its native workflow, especially in Firefly and Dream Machine. There's also compute cost to consider. Drafts are cheaper, but rendering full HDR 4K or EXR masters will require more power, or credits. But for what it delivers, these trade-offs feel reasonable. Ray3 is available now inside Luma AI's Dream Machine platform and has been integrated into Adobe Firefly as well. If you're already in Adobe's ecosystem, Premiere, etc., you'll appreciate the ability to export or sync your work into those tools. Also, for a limited time in Firefly, Ray3 generations might be more available or less restricted for users with certain paid plans. Luma AI's Ray3 is more than just another video generator. It's designed to think visually, to understand what creators want. If you're serious about video creation, ads, storytelling, effects, cinematic content, Ray3 is one to keep your eye on. What are you most excited about with Ray3? The draft mode, the HDR output, the visual reasoning? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And as always, if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like, subscribe to Uprising AI, and ring the bell to stay ahead of the AI curve. See you in the next one.